How to turn on new followers notifications on TikTok mobile. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to turn on new followers notifications on TikTok mobile. First, then open TikTok and then click profile, and here in top corner you will find these three lines. Click on it, and after you click on it, click this one here, settings and privacy, and scroll down until you find push notifications. And here you will find new followers. If you want to turn it on, all you need to do is just click on it one click and then go back. It will be saved. And as you see, that's how to turn on new followers notifications on TikTok mobile. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget like and subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.